In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable graphics acceleration. Graphics, also called hardware acceleration, lets your browser use your computer's GPU to handle visuals and video more efficiently. When it's on, pages can feel smoother and videos play more cleanly. If you're seeing flickering black squares or unexpected crashes, turning it off can help diagnose or fix the issue. Here's how to switch it on or off and make sure the change actually takes effect. Start by opening your browser and clicking the three dots in the upper right corner to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. If you don't see Settings right away, the menu may say something like Preferences, but you're looking for the place where your browser's options live. Inside Settings, look for the System section. In many browsers, you'll find System in the left sidebar. If it's not immediately visible, use the search box at the top of the Settings page and type Acceleration to jump straight to it. On the System page, find the option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Depending on your browser, it may also be called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is the setting we're changing. Click into it so you can see the toggle. Now toggle the switch to turn acceleration on or off. Turn it on if you want smoother video playback and faster visual rendering. Turn it off if you're troubleshooting visual glitches, driver conflicts, or if your system is older and seems less stable with acceleration enabled. Neither choice is permanent. You can always come back and change it later. After you toggle the setting, you'll see a relaunch button. Click Relaunch to restart the browser and apply the change. This is important. The setting won't fully take effect until the browser restarts. Save your work first. Your tabs should reopen automatically, but it's still a good idea to finish any in-progress forms or downloads before relaunching. When the browser comes back, return to the System section. The settings should be highlighted on the page. Click the highlighted area to confirm the toggle is in the position you wanted and that the change stuck after the relaunch. If you don't see the option, make sure your browser is up to date. If problems continue with acceleration on, try turning it off again, updating your graphics drivers and relaunching once more. On some systems, the exact wording may vary slightly, but the process is the same. That's it. You now know how to enable or disable graphics acceleration, when to use it, and how to confirm your change.